Yeah, a bit of a video on stripping the car down. So basically started pulling off the wrap and then stripped everything off it. So doors, quarter panels, bonnet, boot, all that, just to make life a bit easier when I'm crawling around it and yeah, working on it basically. I've got a 2-post hoist here, so it sort of gets in the way a little bit. So with no doors, it's a lot easier to get in and out of. And pulled all the wiring that was in there, the dash, fuel lines, all the other bits that can get in the way, so it's fully blank car, ready to go, so I can do what I need to do on it. And yeah, that's about it. So check out the video. Once again, probably repeating myself 10 times over in it, but yeah, enjoy. So basically the plan for this video will be peel all the stickers off, really. Get it back to black. And after that, I'll probably take the doors, bonnet, boot off just to make access in and out a lot easier. And go from there, I suppose. So today's job was to take all the sign writing off. Got most of it off. But the Dale ITM stuff will have to stay on, because as you can see, the vinyl pulls all the paint off. If you come around here, you couldn't just pull the yellow off. That's probably not going to do it now. As you heated it up, it either separated or it lifted what was on underneath off. It's not going to do it now. There you go. So because it doesn't stick that well, that'll come off. And as you can see, it was just wrapped over either crap paint or just where they've sanded it back. So that's alright. I'll just leave it. The car will probably need a repaint or something. There you go. Later on anyway, so it'll either be rewrapped or painted, so no big deal. The rest of it's come off pretty good. So next plan is to pull the doors and the boot and bumper, front guards and bonnet off, just so I've got a bit extra room to work. And then I'll strip the rest of it. I'll pull that foil off and all these lines and wiring here. Everything else, I'll pull the radiator and oil cooler out. And all that stuff will come out as well. So I'll do all that. So then I'll have room to put that there and that there and there. So hopefully I'll get that done in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, see how we go. So doors are off. So there's the front bar. Turns out race cars are bloody easy to work on because all the hinges have been changed. So all you got to do is take out the door stay bolt and they come off in literally 2 minutes. Front bar's the same. So what do we got there? Allen bolt there and fixings on top, and then it just slides straight off. So you can see those bars there slide up the chassis rail, and they're not bolted on. I'm picking this to give them a little bit of give when you do hit stuff so you don't crack the bar. But you can see the diffuser there and the brake ducts there, so it is a bit worse for wear, a few cracks on it, but we'll see how that goes, be able to get them patched up and painted and it'll be all good. So also, the bonnet is literally one bolt on each side and that comes off as well, so easy peasy. Alright, so got everything stripped out now, all the wiring and fuel lines and whatnot that were in there. So as you can see, bare bones now. So I'm going to start putting bits and pieces back in there, and yeah, hopefully make some progress, because it's been very slow going. Haven't had much time to work on it. There, nothing in there. Next thing we'll be getting that there chucked in. The one thing I'm worried about are these two bars here. Quick measure up, it looks like we'll be pretty close, but it might just sit under them, so guess I'll wait and see, because it'll be a showstopper if it doesn't fit. Because I'll have to somehow modify the cross member to drop it lower, I'm assuming, but cross that bridge if we come to it, I suppose. But yeah, next video will be trying to get that in.